So the name actually is Relevon. That's the actual name. In a nutshell, what we do, we're dealing with email marketing. So we're going to talk about email marketing. 44. That is the actual $44. That is the actual average ROI that every that retailer are seeing as an ROI for every dollar they invest. So what I'm trying to say with this first slide, which probably doesn't make any sense now, is that email marketing is really powerful for any retailer. But the problem is that they don't know that. So that's the actual first problem. Many retailers, as you know, we were one of those retailers. We're in e-commerce. We had e-commerce businesses for 4 years, and we only started doing email marketing like after 2 years. So we lost a lot of revenue because of that. So that's basically the first problem: the awareness, and people, they don't know it. The second problem is relevancy. Now, you know, when we talk about email marketing for retailers, we can just talk about those basic newsletters, which honestly, that's like the past. What we're doing actually, we're producing dynamic content, dynamic recommendations for those campaigns. You'll see in a minute. And also the current players. The current scenario, the current players are mostly unintuitive, complex, or simply too expensive. The ones that are really, really good. So we decided to create a solution for them, and that is Relevon, which is so this is, it's not really okay, the full fonts, but anyways, we're doing Relevon automated email campaigns. Again, we're doing personal product recommendations based on each specific subscriber. So we're not just sending them a bulk campaign. We're actually sending dynamic products, and we have some behavioral triggers and segmentations. Some of the benefits are less time spent on email marketing because it's automated. People spend less time, or businesses spend less time. We have better customer retention and better audience engagement and increased ROI. So basically how it works, you see it's the same template, but we have two different persons receiving different kind of products. And that's all because of the AI and the algorithms that we use. We track those metrics, and then we basically output different kind of products. And this is really powerful. This is the product roadmap. Right now we're developing an MVP. We have the product ready, and we're gonna basically add some more features as per the feedback we receive. Now we're looking at the competitive advantages. I was having a conversation here earlier, and the first question would be like, there's a ton of email marketing solutions there, and agree, there's a ton. Maybe you've heard of MailChimp. It's like the biggest one. And the thing is that all of them, or mostly all of them, they focus on general businesses. So they don't focus on retailers. What we do, we focus on retailers. That's e-commerce businesses. So we're looking at the AI-powered recommendation system, which basically outputs products for each specific subscriber, and that's super powerful. And obviously the recurring email campaigns, which you can set up, for example, every Monday at 12 p.m. you send a campaign, and this just goes on and on. And that's also very helpful for marketers. And then we have industry network and insights. I'm here with my team right now, so I want to thank also for being here. And most of them, all of them, we have experience in digital marketing and e-commerce. So that's something that gathered us and made us build Relevon. And looking at the market size, there's more than 5 billion active email users. The email marketing spend, it's over $3 billion in the US only in 2018, and we have almost 1 million Shopify retailers, and that's only Shopify, not talking about Magento and all of that. The business model, it's a SaaS model with yearly contracts for enterprises, and the plans are based on the number of contracts, contacts and monthly sent. So it can start up, it started up from $29, it goes up to like $2,000, depending on the number of email sends. And I don't want to talk about this because this is going to be covered maybe in the Q&A. But why now? This is a really good question. So we're talking about our target market is the e-retail. So that's the e-commerce businesses. So as you may know, e-commerce is going up like every year, and every year it's going up. So it's a steady market that goes up, and it's also established. And this is really interesting. The shift to email. We've been running Facebook ads for 4 years. We spend a lot of money with Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on. But honestly, the performance is going down year by year. So we see a shift to email because people see that it's becoming more and more productive, more and more profitable to shift to email. And there's also so low competition in the e-commerce niche, e-commerce focused email marketing category. And these are the main competitors. So the main competitor is not MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. These are the ones that are targeting e-commerce businesses actually. And this is the team, is the A team that we have here. Again, all of us have experience in email marketing, in marketing in general. I recently exited a global brand. We just sold it last year. Lisa here also sold a sportswear brand 2 years ago. Marius here, he's been building tech products for 20 years, and he's also been working with marketing actually. So,
that being said, thank you for the debate. Once again, congratulations to Andre representing Relevon. And there's going to be another 5 minutes of Q&A from the jury. Please keep your place here. Use the mic. Yeah, use the mic as they will use the mic. And this is my kind request to them because we're getting this on video.
You mentioned AI. I'm curious about how do you plan to get to the critical mass of data to actually build an AI algorithm behind, because then otherwise I don't see how you can, without a lot of data, I don't see how you can actually make something that adds value.
Well, first of all, we're going to start off with a service provider. We're not in the first step because we want to build MVP really fast. We don't want to spend 2 years building an MVP. We already found a couple of partners that will help us build that AI system. All we need to do is basically track the information from the e-commerce store. So let's just say we install a snippet, and actually, an e-commerce store has thousands of visits, or maybe hundreds of thousands of visits every day. And that information is being fed to our AI recommendation system. And whenever they want to someone sends a campaign, they compile it and they send back based on the data they have. They send that product recommendation.
One question.
Yeah.
But then they'll have to also provide you data on all their sales and all their internal information.
Yeah, so we integrate in 2 ways. First of all, we integrate within the platform. So if you have a Shopify store, there's a Shopify app that you install. That's the first step. And then the second step is going to be a JavaScript snippet that you put on your website. So basically we have all-around integration, and we gather as much data as possible.
I didn't get if you already have clients, or is this idea level?
It's actually development level. So
Development.
yeah, we have a wait list already.
I have two questions. One is, how do you avoid spam, or how do you make sure that you get to the inbox? And secondly, how the app actually works.
Yeah. Okay.
In very few words.
Yeah, sure. So first of all, in regards to the spam, option, the spam question, we already have in our team. It's obviously remote. We have a person that helps us. It's an email expert, email deliverability expert that's going to help set up the architecture, right? So make sure we don't get in the spam in the spam folder. Second of all, we're using also a service to send emails, so we're not building the infrastructure ourselves. We have a huge support from the service that we're using.
What service?
Sender. And how it works. Okay, so let me explain how it works. Really simple. So let's just say you have a website, an e-commerce store, Shopify store. You're selling some fashion items or whatever, and you want to send emails. Now, when you want to start sending emails, it's pretty, mind-boggling. Like, how do I send, to whom I send, and so on. So we make this really simple. You install the app. You install the JavaScript snippet, and next step, you're already going to see from Shopify all the customers imported. And then you go create a campaign, and you select how the template want to look like. It's just a normal template. But the difference is that you will select the dynamic product blocks. And those product blocks are those products that I was showing you, and those are dynamic. When you create a campaign, it's not going to be a specific product. It's going to be like a block. But you select what kind of recommendation you want, because we're not just going to send one type of recommendation. We're going to send maybe bestsellers, maybe new arrivals, maybe co-recommendation, and so on. And once you do that, you pretty much schedule the campaign and you let it run. And that's how it works on the user side. On the back end, again, we track data, we store it, then we compile it, and we an email send is being used to compile products.
You still have like 1.5 minutes to put in another question.
Yeah, any question, because that's the biggest reason why we wanted to come here, is just for feedback and appreciation.
I saw the impressive growth of the market, potential market volume and market. Just to make it very simple, what is the potential market in Romania for you?
in numbers, it's really hard to tell. Just think about all the e-retailers in Romania, they all need email marketing. So potentially, this is the market. We're looking at all the e-retailers that use digital means to products. But I don't have a specific figure. It's always, there's always new stores coming.
Maybe you can expand to Europe what's your go-to-market plan? How are you going to convert, for example, you said you have competition.
Yep.
How are you going to convert their customers into your customers? Making a short answer, and I appreciate you putting the question as well, and then you will take advantage of this in the networking session, but make it a short answer because this was the time.
Yeah, first, so what we're going to do, we're going to promote ourselves as an add-on first, just because we don't want to conflict directly with MailChimp or the big guys, just because they're too strong. So we're going to say, okay, if you want to set automated campaigns with dynamic products, just install us for we have 7-day trial, install it, see how it goes, and most likely they're going to see a revenue coming. And once they see revenue coming, it's going to be pretty easy to say, okay, so you had the $1,000 from this 7-day trial. Is it worth it? Yeah, that's in a nutshell.
Thank you, and let's give him another round of applause.